Hello friends, today we are going on a super exciting journey together. We'll travel around India and the whole world. We'll learn about countries, continents, oceans, animals and famous places. So get ready everyone, let us begin. Friends, do you know what a country is? A country is a place where people live together as a group. Every country has four special things. First, a flag. A flag is a special symbol of a country. Second, a government. These are the leaders who run the country. Third, festivals. These are fun and colorful celebrations. And fourth, languages. These are the words that people speak. Now can you tell me what is the name of our country? Yes, our country is India. Great job, friends. Now let us talk about our beautiful country, India. India is our homeland. We are all Indians and we are all proud of it. And the capital of India is New Delhi. That is where our country's leaders work. India is famous for four amazing things. One, beautiful monuments like Taj Mahal. Two, yummy food like idli, dosa, biryani, and so many more. Three, colorful festivals like Diwali, Holi, Pongal, Eid, and so many etc. Four, unity in diversity. This means people in India speak different languages, wear different clothes, but we all live together as a one big family. And here is a fun fact. India is one of the largest countries in the whole world. India is a very big country. It is divided into smaller parts called states. We have 28 states and 8 union territories in India. Every state is a little bit different from each other. People speak different languages in different states. India is a very big country. It is divided into smaller parts called states. We have 28 states and 8 union territories in India. Every state is little bit different from each other. People speak different languages in different states. They wear different traditional clothes and they eat different yummy foods. But even with all this difference, we are all proud Indians. Now tell me, which state do you live in? Every country has neighbors, countries that are close to them. Just like your house has neighbors, India also has neighboring countries. India has 5 main neighboring countries. Nepal is to the north of India. Bhutan is also to the north of India. Bangladesh is to the east of India. Sri Lanka is a small island is to the south of India. Pakistan is to the west of India. Now quiz time. Can you tell me any one neighboring country of India? Don't. Sorry everyone. Friends, our earth is divided into large land areas called continents. There are 7 continents on earth. Let us count them together. 1. Asia. 2. Africa. 3. Europe. 4. North America. 5. South America. 6. Australia. 7. Antarctica. Can everyone say all 7 together? Let us try. Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Australia, Antarctica. Well done. Fun fact, Asia is the biggest continent in the world. And guess what? India is in Asia, so we live on the biggest continent. How cool is that? We learned about continents, the big land areas. Now let us talk about oceans. Oceans are huge, big, deep water areas on earth. There are 5 oceans. Let us name them together. 1. Pacific Ocean. It is the biggest ocean. 2. Atlantic Ocean, the second biggest. Third, Indian Ocean. It is one. This one is very close to India. 4. Southern Ocean. It is near Antarctica, the coldest place on earth. 5. Arctic Ocean. It is the coldest ocean near North Pole. Fun fact: Pacific Ocean is so big that the land on earth can fit inside. Fun fact: The Pacific Ocean is so big that all the land on earth can fit inside it. Friends, our world has about 8 billion people living in it. That's a lot of people. And all these people are different from each other in interesting ways. Different people speak different languages. Did you know there are over 7,000 languages in the world? Wow! People wear different clothes too. In India, we have saris and dhotis. In Japan, they wear kimonos. In Scotland, they wear kilts. And people celebrate different festivals. We celebrate Diwali and Pongal. Others celebrate Christmas, Eid, and Hanukkah. But even though we all are different, we can be good friends. Now, how many languages can you speak? Let me hear. Ooh, this one is my favorite slides. Animals. Did you know different animals are found in different parts of the world? Elephant is found in India and other parts of Asia. It is the biggest land animal. The kangaroo lives in Australia. It has a special pocket in its tummy called pouch where it carries its baby. The giant panda lives in China. It loves to eat bamboo leaves. Penguin lives in Antarctica, the coldest place on earth. Penguins cannot fly, but they are amazing swimmers. Now my fun question for you. Which animal is your favorite? Friends, our world has so many amazing and beautiful places. People travel from all over the world just to see these famous places. First, the Eiffel Tower in Paris, France. It is a very tall iron tower. It is so beautiful. Second, the Statue of Liberty in New York, USA. It is a giant statue of a lady holding a torch. Stands for freedom. The Taj Mahal. Third, the Taj Mahal in Agra, India. This is our very own wonder of the world. It is a beautiful white marble building, so proud. For the pyramids in Egypt, Africa. These were built thousands of years ago and still standing. Isn't that amazing? One day, maybe you and I will travel and see these places too. Friends, we have learned about countries, continents, oceans, animals, and amazing places. But now I want to tell you about something very important. Our earth is very beautiful and it is the only home we have. So we must take good care of it. How can we help? There are 4 easy things we can all do. Number 1. Plant trees. Trees gives us clean air and cool shade. Number 2. Save water. Do not waste water. Close the tap when you are not using it. Number 3. Recycle waste. Do not throw away things that can be used again. Number 4. Keep our surroundings clean. Do not throw litter on the road or in parks. Now, I want to tell you what will you do to help our earth. Okay friends, it's quiz time. Are you excited? Raise your hand if you know the answer. Question 1. What is our country's name? Question 2. How many continents are there on earth? Question 3. Which is the largest ocean in the world? Question 4. Name one neighboring country of India. Clap for everyone who answered well. You're all stars. Wow, we have reached the end of our exciting journey around India and the world. What an amazing trip it was, right friends? Today we learned so many things together. We learned about India, our wonderful country. We learned about different countries and their neighbors. We learned the name of all seven continents. We learned the five oceans. We met people and animals from different parts of the world. And we also learned why we must protect our beautiful earth. And I hope you had a great learning with me. If you like this video, please give thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye bye.